Events like this are wonderful, right? They're an opportunity for us to get to know the community that we support, but more importantly, have the community learn a little bit about who we are. And then we start to realize that we're one and the same.
I think it's a great opportunity for these kids to be able to see what jobs are out there. I'll be honest with you, I didn't even know what a lineman was when I came in here. And I wish I had known about this job when I was 20. So, information is power.
So we wanted to give the students a flavor for the type of work that we do and the message that we really want to convey to the students. No matter what we do, safety first, safety last, and safety always.
Because imagine if you had 60 pounds of pressure coming out of your stove. I mean, I know you're hungry and you want your food fast, but that flame would be like extremely high, right? Dangerous, right?
And there's multiple ways to get into the company. I started out in the company with a degree, and I still decided to start at the ground level in the field, working with my hands. But there's also people that come into the company straight out of high school.
There are many opportunities in Con Edison. You don't always have to stay in one position, and they actually encourage that. They encourage growth, and they encourage you to move on.
It's a great company to work for, and like I said, the main message today was opportunity. The opportunity is going to be here for you, you just have to take it.